I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream, you know what I mean. The summer air by the seaside, the way it fills our lungs, the fire burns in the night sky. This life will keep us young, yeah, keep us young. Sleep by the ocean, our hearts will move with the tide, and we will wake in the morning to see the sun paint the sky. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream, you know what I mean. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream, you know what I'm moving far away to a sunny place.
Hope you guys enjoyed that short little kayaking tour of a small section of the Colorado River back at the end of November 2021 in Page, Arizona. Starting off at Lee's Ferry, we originally wanted to take the backhaul all the way up to the Glen Canyon Dam and paddle our way south for about 15 miles. But because we had already started off early that morning with the Upper Antelope Canyon tour, we were a little bit short on time, so we decided to have the backhaul drop us just a little bit north of the Horseshoe Bend, and from there we took a leisurely paddle downstream for about 10 miles back to Lee's Ferry, which incidentally is considered mile marker 0 for that portion of the Colorado River that cuts all the way through the Grand Canyon. I was so very happy to have been able to brought my foldable kayak, the Oru Bay ST, with all of my accessories and gear with me, while my brother and his girlfriend had to make do with the outfitter's very stable but slow tandem inflatable kayak with paddles that weigh like empty barbells. So they had to work a little bit harder to paddle downstream, while my Bay ST was just a delight to coast almost down the river. Filming and documenting this particular trip was a bit challenging. As many of you know, I use almost exclusively 2 iPhones for my filming, and being on a 25-inch wide sea kayak, balancing yourself while you're on the river with a current that steers you in directions that you don't want it to.
Can you turn right? Can you turn right?
Become quite a contortionist, trying to angle and position the camera as you follow the action. So as challenging as it was, it's been a delight to put this film together, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. To date, this is a special paddle because back in October of 2018, when I first encountered the Horseshoe Bend with my cousin Vicky, standing up at the top there looking down, it was one of those, gee, I wonder what it would be like to be all the way down there and just paddle the river. And so about 3 years later, I said, wow, I can't believe I'm now down here looking up. So this is a very memorable one. So if you guys are ever in the Page, Arizona area and have about 5 or 6 hours, do yourself a favor, plan on doing this short little paddle down a very beautiful section of the Colorado River and soak in all the beautiful canyon walls and rock formations. So until then, thank you for all the likes, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys out on the next trail.